Now, it's not only the materials of construction of the MACH, which is a combination of the highest quality ceramics, ceramic wear paste, stainless steel, mild steel, and HDPE on the various sections. Of equal importance is the geometry of the venturis. So I have a couple of venturis that have been removed out of MACH reactors that are standing here. There's two at the bottom, and there's one that's suspended in the metal casing where it will be assembled later. And what is important about these venturis is not only the high quality ceramic, which is lining them, but it's also the shape of that venturi inside. And how we've determined that shape is the earlier venturis that we manufactured were purposefully manufactured out of very soft material, very thick walled, soft material, so that we could determine the natural flow pattern that the pulp would want as it's flowing at high speed through these venturis. And once we gauged what that flow pattern was, we then fashioned the ceramic venturis around that shape. So we're starting off with a shape that the material wants naturally. If it were to wear the ceramic, it was going to wear it out to a particular shape. And we start off there, which is a great place. That's a battle half won, is to just determine that geometry. And you find there is less wear on the actual ceramic that is used because the slurry has the shape of the flow pattern that it wants. And that's really, I would say, one of the key factors, apart from materials of construction, is to actually determine that geometry. And this is a perfect example of how the MACH is working in harmony with nature. We're not trying to fight against nature. We're not trying to do something that we've created just in our heads that doesn't agree with what happens in nature. We're working together with nature to achieve this excellence that you see in the MACH. So the genius in all of this is actually comes down to the sheer simplicity of it. We're learning from nature to solve a lot of problems that exist in the industry today.